got a bunch of strawberries happening over here. Blackberries are getting close. I already see some black ones on there. See those? Blackberry pie coming, blackberry cobbler. There's some really big ones up there. That is way up there. Jonah just found a perfect little cluster of some that are ready to be picked.
Right here.
Okay. Supper time, y'all. Tonight we're making some beef tips and rice stuffed peppers. I already got the rice started. We're gonna use this stir fry sauce to put in with the beef tips when we start cooking those. We'll let the rice cook for about 15 minutes though before we even start that, because it won't take the beef tips long. I've already got the oven preheated to 375, and I guess we'll go ahead and start cleaning out the peppers. They found Manly's first Thanksgiving shirt.
It still fits me.
You think so?
Yeah, the pencil go up right to there.
Well,
I don't think you can squeeze into that. Okay, so we're gonna do just 6 because Jacob's going on a date. Tyler did go fishing with a friend, and we thought he was gonna be back in time, but he might have already eaten too. But we're gonna go ahead and do 6.
more
just in
than likely
case.
they've already eaten.
One time I made spaghetti stuffed peppers. Do you remember that? I think you were hauling cows then. I don't think you. Do you remember? I got these. It was round. I got these orange peppers and I put spaghetti in them.
I put my little kid stuff in my shell.
I think 1 onion's enough.
Yeah, I think so.
I mean, since we ain't got a whole bunch of people tonight eating, we making this up as we go, everybody.
Yeah.
We'll just let that heat up right there. And then we will go ahead and put in our onions, pepper, and the garlic. I know y'all have already watched the video about the ice cream, but we do got some coffee ice cream in that freezer for later tonight. A little
Java chip.
Java chip. Sometimes there ain't nothing like some good white rice.
Yeah.
Put some butter. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
You put some butter on it. That's some good stuff. I don't even remember, to be honest with you, baby. I don't remember the last time we made stuffed peppers.
Oh, it's been a long time. Does anybody remember the spaghetti stuffed peppers that I did? I cut them like a little
What was
pumpkin.
that, baby?
Probably 6 or so, maybe 7 years ago.
Oh, okay.
It was a long time ago. I bet Jacob and Tyler remember them.
So you did the pepper.
It was an orange bell pepper like that, and I made it look like a pumpkin. Gave it a little smiley face and put the spaghetti in. It was around fall.
Okay.
It was like a little fall recipe thing.
Yeah. That's all we're going to use for this tonight. And that's like me and Fallon was talking about earlier. The boys has already eat. Tonight, this is going to be plenty enough to stuff these peppers. We're going to turn it down just a little bit here. We're going to put a little salt and pepper on it, everybody.
Oh, I don't know if I showed this to them.
This is a pretty quick meal, to be honest.
I keep forgetting to tell y'all, and a few people have asked about where this bacon and egg mug came from. See, the handle is bacon, and it's great. It came from Buc-ee's back when we went to the mountains and when we went to Buc-ee's.
Our battery was going dead in there, so we didn't.
I forgot my charger, so the battery was dying.
They remember we forgot our computer and everything. Fallon was so excited, she almost forgot me. She jumped in the car, and I was like, hold on, I'm going too.
But we also got this little jam container. It is so cute by itself, but it also comes with this little spoon. Are y'all ready for this? What? Look at that. This little piggy went to market and got some blackberry jam.
Oh,
that's what happened.
Jam in it?
No, there's nothing in it yet, but.
Is that what you're going for it?
Yeah. It also just looks really cute for a decoration too, to have this with the little piggy sitting over here, you know? That's where it's been since we got it, because I haven't put any jam in it yet. Look at that.
That's nice. Country.
Pigs are country.
Yeah. You don't see pigs much in the city.
Look at Miss Turkey out there. She follows Roosty around everywhere.
You put a lot of pigs together in one place, and it can offend some people.
We have a boyfriend available for Miss Turkey, but we're afraid
Well,
that Roosty might try to attack, or that he might try to attack Roosty, because he's bigger than, of course, bigger.
a lot bigger.
Is he bigger than Miss Turkey?
Yeah.
Roosty feels like Miss Turkey is part of his flock,
Yeah.
you know?
So we don't want any kind of
Drama.
family problems.
No.
You know, horses have a disagreement.
Right now, for real, all the other girls will kind of wander off sometimes, but most of the time, Miss Turkey stays right there with Roosty, and they just kind of hang together out there.
Okay, at this stage of the game, what I want to do is go ahead and add in my, I'm going to turn it down just a little more. I'm going to add in my sauce here.
Passage to Asia.
You got to be careful here, this stuff will be all over the place. That's going to be good.
Yeah,
That's going to be good, everybody. What do we need to do from here? Put the rice in, maybe?
Put a little bit of rice in, and I would turn it up just a little.
Okay, we're fixing to add some rice in. That's what
Yeah.
Fallon thinks we need to do, and I believe she's right.
And then leave some extra, because I know Jonah and Cece will want some on the side.
Okay. I'm gonna put 4. We got plenty of rice. Everybody, I did a little sample of that. That's really good. I think what I need to add is just a little, not much, just a little bit of ginger. I don't even know how much to tell you, just lightly dust it. Because ginger does have a, you know, it's not something that, you put it in there, you're gonna taste it, is what I'm saying. So just lightly dust it with a little bit of ginger. Okay, now we're getting that fried rice deal going now.
I have 2 little cars. This is a big car, and this is a little car.
That's nice. Did Jonah show you how to make those?
No, I just built Jonah built a huge car, and I
you
built
did the
a little one.
That's good.
Jonah's letting me play with his Legos.
That's very nice.
Super good.
Yeah.
Outstanding taste and very simple, easy to do, and delicious.
Tonight we have the Little Critter Classics collection, and Manny picked just Grandpa and me. My mom said I need a new suit, so we went to the city to buy one. Just Grandpa and me. Look at Grandpa's suit. He's styling, isn't he? I bought the train tickets, but I let Grandpa pay. I taught Grandpa how to sing 99 bottles of pop on the wall. Look, he's drinking some pop right there.
Who is that?
It looks like a raccoon. We went to the big department store. The revolving door went around and around and around. We went around too, just Grandpa and me. I looked at all the suits and found just the right one. We had supper in a Chinese restaurant. I showed Grandpa how to use chopsticks. Then we got back on the train. Grandpa took a nap, but not me. I couldn't wait for Mom to see my new suit. We were so proud, just Grandpa and me.